What is small r? Is radius of orbit of satellite. So therefore इसके बाद में लिखेंगे हम और vc is क्या? Critical velocity. This is magnitude of critical velocity. This is, just check, this is magnitude of critical velocity. Magnitude of critical velocity. So just write it down. This is right symbol. Capital M हो गया, capital R हो गया, then small r हो गया, capital H हो गया, VC हो गया. There are 5 symbols, right? And then write it down this also. Small m. Small m भी लिखो. Small m is what? Mass of satellite. Small m, right? The small m will be mass of satellite. Small m mass of satellite. And फिर ये बचा है तो ये भी लिख दो. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Capital G is gravitational constant. So all symbols name and everything has been clearly explained. तो symbol हो गया, right? ये पहले छोटा सा explanation हुआ, उसके बाद में all symbols we wrote. Next is now the centripetal force necessary for circular motion of satellite is provided by gravitational force is exerted by the satellite. And कौन से दो force balance हो रहे हैं? Centripetal force को कौन balance कर रहा है? Gravitational force. See the force which is responsible to rotate in circular orbit, उसको कौन balance कर रहा है? उसको कौन सा force balance कर रहा है? Gravitational force. ये हमने देखा था previous class में, हमने देखा था the I think gravitation के चैप्टर में हमने देखा था मौत का कुआं जो था ना उसमें, right? So that was the well of death, right? So उसमें ये था कि जब वो गोल घूमता है तो it basically है ना, तो कौन सा फोर्स गोल the force which is responsible for circular motion is balanced by the force which is pulling it down. So you have to write it down. Centripetal force is equal to gravitational force. ये sentence लिखना पड़ेगा. So you have to write down just this: the centripetal force necessary for circular motion of satellite is provided by gravitational force exerted by the satellite on the earth. या फिर अगर थोड़ा सा अगर gravity आपको थोड़ा ये लग रहा है तो ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि centripetal force is balanced by gravitational force of earth, right? So this can easily written. The centripetal force necessary for circular motion is balanced by gravitational force. Okay, so if it is balanced by means both are equal. We know the formula for those. So mvc square upon r is equal to gmm upon r square. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, vc is critical velocity. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या का फॉर्मूला, किसका फॉर्मूला मिलेगा हमको? We'll get the, just after simple simplification steps, we will get the formula for vc, and vc is equal to under root gm upon r. But r is r plus s. So vc is equal to gm upon r plus h. So just write down up to this. Just write down up to this. Right? Just write down up to this. Vc is equal to gm upon r plus h. So I will also write it down. Right? So Vc is equal to, just write down step by step. वहाँ तक पूरे 2-3 स्टेप जितने भी है, just write it down, right? तो gm upon r plus h, r की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया। अब आगे क्या किया, अगेन इसका एक फ्लेवर और बढ़ाते हैं ना, फिजिक्स है ये, इसको ऐसा एक में छोड़ते नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ और चलता ही रहता है, राइट उसमें। सो नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, नेक्स्ट इज क्या करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड क्या करेंगे, r plus h से। सो इसको अगेन r plus h से जैसा किया था, अगर आपको याद है तो इससे पहले भी किया है हम, r plus h से क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस इज राइट। सो आई जस्ट डिवाइड and multiply in the under root में आएगा, right? This is under root. Right? So this is an under root. अब क्या होगा? So that means you can see this, what is exactly happening to me. एक छोटी सी mathematical adjustment है। Mathematical adjustment किस लिए कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमको कुछ substitute करना है। You have to substitute something. So under root gm upon, अब ये क्या हो जाएगा, नीचे आ जाएगा r plus h, क्या आ जाएगा, r plus h bracket square, right? r plus h bracket square. Right. So this one r plus h is bracket square, ऊपर क्या बचेगा, ऊपर क्या बचेगा, it's just r plus h. So it's easy, right? Okay, fine. R plus h. Just what I will do is this part, gm upon r plus h bracket square, gm upon r square, gm upon r square या gm upon r plus h bracket square, gm upon r plus h bracket square मतलब क्या, we know that is basically gm upon r plus h मतलब क्या, that is gh, gravitational acceleration at height h. So we will substitute. So let us write down, right? So we'll write down this equation को हम लोग, so this is write down the formula for gh. So gh is this much, agree? This is, so if you substitute this value, what will you get, what will you get, vc is equal to second flavor you will get. So instead of this you will be writing gh, right? You will be substituting gh. So just we will substitute gh here, and this will remove this, right? So gh into this is what the another formula for critical velocity in the form of gravitational acceleration at height h. So that formula was in the form of the mass and this, right? So there are two